Hello guys, I hope you're all good. So welcome to my new video. Today's I will create a video on UFans on how to get AdSense approval for UFan community. So UFan have several conditions. You will need to meet this condition. Uh, First condition is that you need to verify your email address, second phone number, and you need to post 30 posts in the last 7 days. And UFan have a limit of 5 posts daily. Okay. And the fourth one is you need to get 10,000 views on your original content and HD quality content. Okay, HD quality 1080p. And the fifth one is you need to get 50 subscribers. And the sixth one is you need to pass content quality check. This is my account and I will do all several conditions. Check 50 subscribers complete, 10,000 views complete, and you can also check my email address is verified, phone number is verified, post is verified, because I will post in the last 7 days up to 5 posts daily. Okay, and 10,000 views completed, 550 subscribers completed, and I will send a request of my content quality check. It is in under review, so I will receive an email in 24 hours. So I will get UFAN approval. Then I will apply AdSense and I will get 110% AdSense approval on my UFON account. Okay, UFON account is best for AdSense approval because they are not traffic right now. You can get unlimited AdSense approval for UFON by creating UFAN accounts. Okay, and complete by completing their several criteria. So if you don't have any time, you can ask me on WhatsApp. So I will provide the service of 50 subscribers and 1,000 views. So you can contact me on WhatsApp. I will provide it. After all, this is the video that I've created on UFan. So you can learn, check, and implement it on your profile and access account. Okay.